Hello and welcome. My name is Christopher Mine, and in this video I'm going to give you an introduction on how to use MyMediaSite Editor. All I need you to do is go to the management portal. If you do not know how to get to the management portal, please watch our video how to use the management portal, and it should bring you up to date on how to log into the management portal and get to where we're at right now. So to edit your videos in a management portal, all you need to do is once you're logged into management portal, select the video you want to work on. Once the page rolls up, right here on the screen, it'll say Edit Videos. It's usually about fourth down from the Record option menu. So hit Edit Video, and now it's going to open up a new tab. Now, just to give a brief explanation, people that are running Internet Explorer or Firefox, you will have to download Silverlight to run this editor. Google Chrome is not supported to run the editor. Once you're in Editor, you notice it at the bottom here. It gives you the video layout of the time, and also gives you audio of that time. Now there is also a third row, and if you record in slideshow instead of video mode, it would show your slideshow down here instead of a video up here. Now if you already can see, we can already insert chapters if we wanted to. So let me go grab a bar, and let me insert a chapter right here. And we're going to go insert a test chapter. And then we're going to insert another test chapter. So right now we inserted 2 test chapters. Okay, so if you notice, we entered 2 test chapters that we'll test out in a little bit. Now first on the top here under projects, this pretty much gives you what project you've been working on and any other previous projects you worked on this video. So for instance, let's say you recorded one long video that's about an hour 45 minutes long, and you broke it up into 10 different videos. This is what it's going to show you, the 10 projects that you created on just this one video alone. And you have the option to copy that or even delete it. Now if we go to revision history, now you notice it shows original version, and then it shows insert chapter. So the first one here will be that chapter 1 that we inserted, and then the second will be that chapter 2. Now you can restore back to that or all the way back to the original version. Now we're going to go back to chapter 2, and you notice chapters 1 and 2 reappeared. To exit that, just click on the X. Under commit, there's 3 options. There's commit to current, commit to new, and commit to existing. Commit to current commits currently to the video you're editing right now. Commit to new creates a new presentation, sends all that data that you already done on that presentation and the editing features that you've done on that presentation to a new presentation. So your existing one is never touched, is never edited. Commit to an existing, let's say, for instance, you had that really long video. You already made those 10 videos. One of the videos you made a little slight mistake on, you want to refix it. You can re-edit it and then commit that to the existing video that you already created, and it keeps the name and data intact, but just changes the video that you edited. Then of course you got undo. Revision history is the same thing that we went through. Rerun slideshow detection isn't really going to do much. As you can see, it's only detected 0 slides, 0 slides. So convert to audio, so you can actually take this whole video piece and just turn it into an audio file if you want to. And video sources is not selectable during this time until future updates. And of course, we do have the help bar here, so if you need support or documentation on more advanced features on this, just click on those. Now, for instance, you want to cut a piece, right? And a quick and easy way to do that is just click and drag, and you can do cut. Now cut will remove that. Now let's say you didn't want to cut that. You can actually go back to and click on uncut and it removes it. Or you can go back to your revision history and do undo trim. So it says right here add cut. You can just go and go one step below that add cut and it'll restore everything you've done before that. For this demonstration purposes, we're going to cut that first beginning piece. And we're going to go play it real quick. And see as it picked me up just fine. So once we're finished, we're going to go and commit to current. And it's going to say, are you sure you want to replace the existing presentation with the edited version? As I said, commit to current is going to commit it to the video that you're working on. If you do not want to commit to that one you're working on, I recommend commit to new always. Okay. Once it's committed, click up here in the upper corner on commit jobs. And you can see right now it's been queued. Once the queue is finished, you'll see that it's been dropped and uploaded. And we'll check to see if our editing has worked. Now while we're waiting for commit jobs to finish working, we're going to show you how to do a fade in and fade out on your videos. Just to do a fade in, you notice this little ball point right here. If you click and drag to the dark side, to your left in other words, for the beginning of your video, you notice it'll create this squiggly line right here. That's your fade line. So what it's going to do is going to be nothing, and then it's going to slowly fade in until it fades right in. And we can get that quick description right here, black, and then once we get into it, you can see it starts to fade in. Now we can do that same thing here. We pull this bar out, and then drag the pulpit, and then pull it out, and now we've got a fade out. Now once you have made more adjustments, you can do commit to current again. And as you can see, you can have multiple commits going on that server. It's just going to queue one at a time and then finish one at a time. Well, I hope this editor video helped you out. If you have any more questions, please contact your MediaSite administrator, and thank you very much.